So year 10, we are looking at today the professional sources of support and formal support. So when we're looking at professional sources, we're thinking about counsellors, teachers, even careers advisors, people that are called occupational therapists, social workers and health specialists. What I need you to do, if you are in the red group, how can these professionals support you? So find out what they do and how they do it. Is it their duty of care? So what do we mean by duty of care? And then the last one for our distinctions, what laws are in place for professionals to support individuals that need their help? So we need to find out laws such as Data Protection Act, and there are other laws that you may need to look into. That's one of your jobs. So let's have a look at that first. So professional sources of support, formal. We're looking at counsellors, teachers, careers advisors, occupational therapists, social workers and health specialists. Who are they? What do they do? How can they help? And what laws do they need to follow? So as you've looked at those particular areas, so your formal sources of support, I'd like you to think about if you went through one life event. So we're going to talk about death. So if somebody had passed away, what sorts of support would you need? So would you need support from counsellors, teachers, careers advisors, occupational therapists, social workers or health specialists? How would they support you and why would you need their support? Obviously at the bottom you've got your red, amber and green questions that you link alongside those particular areas. Please upload that picture once that has been done also. So the last thing we need to do, year 10, is look at support for life circumstances. So there's certain things in our lives that we do or go through and they are classed as life circumstances. So there are three on the board here. So we've got exclusion, imprisonment and redundancy. Exclusion is when you're excluded from school for doing something wrong. So I need you to find out, how can you find another school? Who helps you find another school? Imprisonment, who can help you once somebody comes out of prison? Who can they get the help from? And then redundancy. Lots of redundancies have happened due to COVID. So people have lost their jobs because the business no longer is there to go to work at. So who can support them? Where can they get another job? How can they get help with their CV? I would just like you to pick one out of the three. I'd like to know who can help them, where they're going to get the support from, why would they require that support? And for those that are looking at merits and distinctions, I need you to find out how they're going to support with pies. So physical, intellectual, emotional and social.